In this video you will see how to remove page numbers in Word document. It's very easy. In the first method, you need to activate header or footer where the page number is. To do that, just double click on the header and the footer area will be activated. Now if your page number is in the header, then click inside the header. Press and hold the control key and press A to select the page number. After selecting, press backspace on your keyboard located above the enter key and the page number will be deleted. Then double click inside the Word document. So this is one method. Another method is go to the insert tab and here you will see the option of page number. Just click on the drop down and you will see the option of remove page numbers. After clicking on this option, the page numbers in the Word document will be removed. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to page numbers in Microsoft Word. See you again in the next one.